Hello everyone, everything good? Welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to welcome you here. So guys, when the manual talks about the room temperature sensor, it refers to the sensor that is on the evaporator, on the front. When you lift the white cover of that internal part that is inside the room, you will see a sensor attached right to the front. This sensor is responsible for capturing the ambient temperature and sending the signal to the board. If the sensor is out of calibration, open, not passing current, or short-circuited, it will generate an error and the equipment will not function correctly. The sensor is necessary for the board to make the calculations and send the correct signal to turn on the compressor and make the equipment work properly. Without the sensor, the equipment is blind, without reference. When the error indicates that the sensor is faulty, you need to remove it from the board and take measurements. Generally, the board's manual contains the sensor measurement. Some are 15 coulombs, some are 10 coulombs, and some are 5 coulombs. Check the value recommended by the manufacturer in the electrical manual for the board. Suppose the sensor is 10 coulombs. Take the measurement and find this value. Remember that the 10 coulombs is calibrated for the temperature of approximately 25 degrees. These sensors have a table that shows the resistivity as a function of temperature. As the ambient temperature increases, the resistivity values tend to decrease. If the temperature decreases, the resistivity values tend to increase. Depending on the sensor, consult the table for reference. The measurement must be close to the value indicated in the table. If it is outside the standards, remove the sensor and replace it with a new one, connecting it to the board. This should resolve the issue. Hope this helps. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll wait for you in the next video. Until later.